The last project we did, my group, we ended up doing like a horror romance thing at the park, and it was super fun.
There's a lot of personalities in here, and a lot of them can take it to like behind camera or in front of the camera.
Video production is an awesome new CTE program that we do have here at Norco High School, where we get to actually look into the world of social media as well as video production. We do everything from the pre-production side to production and post-production with our editing softwares.
I like making things with people and using all of our ideas and putting them together.
It's about video production, you're able to be yourself here, so that's what I like about it.
I really like how welcoming everyone in the classroom is and how open they are to different ideas.
Whatever they kind of feel they want to use, I want video production to be more their canvas. The kids can usually use a lot of the different type of programs, whether they want to be on a PC or Mac, or even if they want to use their own iPhones or Samsung phones, or if they want to use our, our bigger cameras.
I use somewhat both, but I usually use my phone since it's I could just port the videos to my editing software.
I just like how much fun and how much freedom we have in the class.
It's fun and it's an easy way to let out creativity.
So for me, that's kind of a big thing, is that I try and teach a little bit of everything, because in the world of social media, you never know what you need to become good at. And so that's kind of my focus when creating this class.
Really to have the green light to film anything.
That I can record anything, make my own ideas. I just gotta ask Cameron and he would just tell me if it's okay or not.
I want students really to know that they have a place in this world of social media. It's not as scary.
I give a lot of respect to him, letting me be me in his class,
I want to become a director and actually make good movies. We can make our ideas come to life,